What's doing? It's a little bit early. It's about 5 o'clock. I only just got up, and there's Joe's Diner on this morning. Last one of the year, cars and bikes. It's 5 o'clock. Starts at 6. About an hour away. But I've looked on Facebook already. There's already people going in, so it's going to be huge. Hopefully, we can get a spot. Cars in my new shed. Bluebird, if you haven't seen it. But yeah, VL's here, ready to go. So we're going to head on down to Brisbane, and it's about an hour's drive from here. So I cruise down the highway, go look at some cool cars, have some breakfast, come home, and yeah, have a cruisy Sunday hopefully. So let's get on the highway, let's have a look. Well, we've just got pretty close, so about a K away, and there's a line up to get in. So if that's anything to go by, it's going to be a huge show. So we'll try and get in and get a parking spot. Well, we're here, we've got a parking spot. Under the gateway, the Joe's Diner, and there is every sort of car you can think of here. We'll have to go for a wander. So the main car park section's full, and they start go up and around the other side, but it's obviously filling up as well because this car's still piling in. The Rocket Bunny kit on a D3. D-Dub bus. It's cool. I'll try and film as much as I can, but there's that many cars here, it's crazy. So we'll yeah, see how I go. One of the car parks, but I'm up the front of the car park. Yeah, got some different stuff here. Turbo. Harleys. That's some yellows. Sick in this car. 30 me. There's over towards the Joe's Diner, and there's literally everything you can think of is here, and things that you don't even know existed. Yeah, it's out of control. I thought it was going to be big, but this is yeah, huge. I'll go and have a look at the car park and see if there's anything weird and wild. Oh, this thing, little Manx buggy. Wants me why they're saying. I'll head over to the main car park. Well, probably the diner anyway. So when I said you'll see all sorts of weird things, weird and wonderful things you didn't even know existed, and then you get things like this. Look at this. GMC Bearcat. I'll put that there so you can have a read. The two V6s put together. Got a windshield still. That's cool. So diversity, you got Tranas, Mercs, Porsches, Commodores, GTRs, and Barra Falcons. So that's the way out, obviously, to over the road. So when I was coming in, everyone was living around this side. It is packed. And heaps of bikes, people like bikes. I'm back to my park, so I'm parked just in there. And yeah, they're still coming in, still lining up, trying to find parking spots. This is wild. So it's 6:30. This started at 6. There was people here at 5. The car park's full, and they're still coming in. I've just done a whole lap. The car park is full. They're parking across the street, and people are still coming in. This is a big thing. Parking in the median strips, they're parking the outside streets, they're parking over the road, wherever they can. Find a spot. Alright, I've been here for just over an hour now. It's starting to wind down. Well, not wind down, but people are starting to head off. But there's less cars coming in. But it's been wild. It's a cool spot under the gateway. They do usual meets sort of once a month with bikes, cars, and everything else in between. But yeah, there's so many cars, so many bikes, everything you can think of, and weird, wonderful things. It's sick me. We've come out for a cruise, have a look and see what's around, and yeah, get out and enjoy the car. So that's it for this one. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.